Welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my skincare routine. You're going to start off by washing your face with the Dr. Bronners soap. I always use the baby unscented soap because I have sensitive and acne prone skin. So it's just best for me and for anyone to avoid products that have harmful chemicals and fragrances. It's just a lot gentler on your skin. So after you finish washing, you're going to pat dry. I always try to be as gentle as possible. I pat in my face. This just allows you to prevent further irritation and premature wrinkles because ain't nobody want that. So you could go ahead and apply your favorite face scrub or mask. I use a face scrub or mask about 2 to 3 times for the week. Personally, for me, if I do it a lot more frequently, it just irritates my skin. This one that I'm using is a mixture of cinnamon and honey, and I love it. So once that's applied, you're going to let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off. And you're going to go ahead and pat your face dry again. Don't pat it too dry. Leave a little bit of water on there because whenever you do apply your moisturizer, it just helps to seal in the moisture a lot more. I use shea butter for my moisturizer. You don't have to use a lot. A little bit goes a long way when it comes to shea butter. So you're going to go ahead and rub the shea butter in between your fingers until it's melted. I like to apply it in little spots all over my face just to make sure that every area gets fully moisturized. And you want to make sure that you rub it in like as much as possible. And when it comes to like oils and butters, it's always best to buy products that are all natural and that are cold pressed or unrefined. So I'm still working on my skin. I still get pimples every now and again, but when they do happen, they don't leave dark marks anymore and they don't happen as often as they used to. You know, when it comes to your skincare routine, I found that simplicity is what works best for me. Now a girl got glowing skin, no more dark marks, and I'm looking good. It feels good to have clear skin. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment below. Have a good day guys.